everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to be speaking on the Louis Vuitton On The Go Tote PM Reverse Monogram. I have the product code number and I also have the price. So make sure you view my past videos, then come back and tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Okay, so you guys know I was taking a YouTube break to reload, to refresh, rethink, and just regroup. But anything that has to do with reverse monogram, you know your girl is involved. So I actually received this picture on yesterday. I was excited. I have been trying to hold it in, but Foxy sent me a DM. I always love to promote her because she does so much for the LV community. So it's just a respect thing. I love for her to put her watermark on the pictures and then I, in return, use them on YouTube. So I actually just love supporting and giving love to those that give love to me. And so I waited, I held out, and she sent the picture, and I am going to show you guys the beautiful reverse monogram on the Go Tote PM, and we need it, okay? Here it is. Isn't she lovely? Oh my God. Okay, so let's take a minute. I showed you guys in the past video, it was just like this, right? Just like, I have to take this down. I'm sorry. She have to come down. So I told you, this is the On The Go Tote MM, right? This is exactly the same, guys. Look at the reverse monogram tote handle, the exact same. They are playing with us. I need a picture of the other side. I am hoping and praying it is this color, and they didn't go completely with this brown. But since they have this, the tote handle, the reverse monogram, I'm pretty sure on the opposite side is the same exact color. But guys, this is gorgeous. The first picture was kind of blurred. Well, it was blurred. Guys, just look how beautiful this is. The guitar strap doesn't look that bad, but guess what? It's detachable. So we honestly can just take it off and use a reverse monogram strap from the Pochette Matisse or the monogram strap from the Pochette Matisse. Either way, guys, if you have a Pochette Matisse, canvas Pochette Matisse in your collection, you can change out the strap. I am going to do so much with this handbag. You guys are going to be shocked. You can most definitely get creative. Also, I do have the same exact guitar strap, but this does come with monogram instead of the leather pieces here. So this does come with the canvas monogram, which is a lot better. We do not have to worry about any vachetta. So this is a carefree bag. You guys know we love the little coin pouches. So guys, this is perfect. I cannot believe I spoke on this like a year or two ago in regards to us needing an on-the-go tote PM in reverse monogram. And guys, here it is. It's coming. I'm excited. Let me know how you feel in the comments. I just see us doing so much, especially with this size. I am an on-the-go tote lover, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful, and it is going to be amazing and hard to get. The price, $3,100, $3,100. I heard $3,250. So guys, I am so glad it is lower. It is cheaper, but for canvas and the PM size, you guys already know. I told you, LV already did a price increase. They didn't announce it. I'm pretty sure the CAs know. They just added it into the price, which is very, very smart. You guys know, if you're going to buy, you're going to buy. If you're not, you're not. That's just how it is. That's life, period. Okay, so $3,100. I need to get a release date. I'm pretty sure it's coming in February, since they are releasing it since they are announcing it in January. They usually do it a month in advance. So I'm pretty sure it's coming out in February. You know, we are getting the reverse monogram crossbody in February as well. So let me get the product code number. You guys know we have to chit chat. I am super, super excited. This is going to be very, very hot. Make sure you screenshot and send it to your CA or put it on your wish list, because you don't want to miss out. Okay, so the product code is M46373. Okay, again, M as in Marquita, 46373, and I'm going to put my name at the front of this handbag. Oh my gosh. Okay, no, I already have the Marquita reverse loop GM hobo bag, so I'm not going to put my name in front of this, okay? But it would sound nice. Marquita on the go tote PM reverse monogram. I don't know. But guys, I wanted to come here. Like I said, I had to take a break. I had to come and share with my YouTube family. I miss you guys so much. But your girl is working. I am concentrating. I am focused. I am not gone forever, guys. I promise I'm not. I might try to do like 2 days a week versus the 3, or even handbag bestie, okay, on Fridays. But I'm not gone. I still love you guys. So make sure you are paying attention. Foxy is going to post the picture. Again, I gave you the product code number. The price, yes, it's a canvas handbag. It is a PM size, $3,100. It is what it is. I'm pretty sure, like I said, it's the price increase that has been already launched. So guys, just stay tuned. Let's talk. How does it look to you? I am excited. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with the reverse monogram crossbody or the on-the-go tote PM. Again, hey, we have some decisions to make. I am super excited. And let's not forget Wallet on Chain Ivy, a beautiful crossbody handbag as well. So guys, LV is releasing some heat. Get ready for the ready to wear. We still have more handbags that are coming out. I'm super excited for 2023, guys. So many beautiful pieces. But again, bills before bags. Make sure we are budgeting. Guys, handbags will always be around, okay? As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Your girl love and miss you. Mwah. Bye-bye.